This is Mike Smith, owner of Great American Storm Shelters, and this is question number 3. What if I accidentally drive over the top of my storm shelter? Will it damage the shelter? The answer is no. It will not damage it. You just do not need to park on top of the shelter for a long period of time, and depending on how you park on it, you might not be able to get the door open until you get off of the shelter with your vehicle. We will be happy to talk to you further about any other questions. Our number is 1-800-915-7233.